The integration of machine learning techniques, particularly deep learning, into financial modeling has been a burgeoning area of research. The paper titled Gradient Reduction Convolutional Neural Network Policy for Financial Deep Reinforcement Learning presents innovative enhancements to convolutional neural networks aimed at improving their predictive performance and robustness when applied to financial tabular data. Welcome everyone to another episode of Elite Ledger Media. Today we're diving deep into a burgeoning area of research, the integration of deep learning techniques into financial modeling. We'll be examining the paper titled Gradient Reduction Convolutional Neural Network Policy for Financial Deep Reinforcement Learning. So Avo, could you give us a brief introduction to the topic?
Absolutely, Mark. This paper presents innovative enhancements to convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, aiming to improve their predictive performance and robustness when applied to financial tabular data. Now, CNNs have been known for their use in image processing, but their applications in financial data processing is quite novel, to say the least.
Ah, interesting. So they've introduced two major enhancements to CNN architecture, right? Could you walk us through the first one?
Sure, Mark. The first enhancement is the integration of a normalization layer at the input stage of the CNN. This layer ensures consistent feature scaling, essentially addressing the issue of disparate feature magnitudes that can skew the learning process. By doing so, the training dynamics are stabilized, and the model's generalization across diverse financial data sets is hypothesized to improve.
That sounds like a promising improvement. And what about the second enhancement? It has a pretty intriguing name, Gradient Reduction Architecture.
Yeah, it does catch the attention, doesn't it? Well, this gradient reduction architecture entails the earlier layers of CNN being wider, with subsequent layers becoming progressively narrower. This is intended for the model to capture more intricate, complex patterns within the data, crucial for accurately predicting financial outcomes. It also helps in mitigating the vanishing gradient problem, a common issue in deep networks.
So all these enhancements must have had impactful results. What were the key findings from this paper, Evo?
Indeed, they've reported some significant advancements. By integrating this normalization layer and employing the gradient reduction architecture, the CNN model manifested improved predictive performance and robustness, particularly significant in the context of financial deep reinforcement learning.
Right, and these improvements would presumably have larger implications for the field of financial deep reinforcement learning and beyond.
Absolutely, Mark. These enhancements have the potential to revolutionize financial deep reinforcement learning, offering more reliable tools for decision-making and risk management. And beyond financial data processing, the methodologies proposed in the paper could also open up new research and application horizons in other domains where complex pattern recognition is required.